Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mystery box unboxing. This is from Pretty Obsessed, which I have ordered from before. This is their 10 product mystery box, so I've not opened it yet, got no idea what's in it. I previously had a couple of their monthly boxes, which were really good. I think that's 5 products. And I've had their biggest mystery box, which was a 20 product, which I've uploaded to the channel. And it was like never ending products. So they're all full size products. There's no samples or anything like that. And the 10 product is $19.99. I will link the website down below. I hope the lighting's a bit better in this video. I've got a new light behind the camera, which I'm testing out. I am sat on the floor, so a little bit strange, but yeah, we're trying it out. Okay, so it comes in the pink Pretty Obsessed box. All tissue wrapped up. Fingers crossed I don't have any duplicate products, because I feel like I've had quite a few boxes from them now and I've not yet had a duplicate product. So the first thing I've got in here I think is a duplicate product. The first thing I pull out. It might not be yet, we don't know. Okay, so it's from Bang Beauty, which I've never heard of before. The Pretty Obsessed boxes. It says cream colour in the shade Glam. So it's like a little jar with a silver lid. It is the same thing. So it's like a bronze shimmery colour. I still don't know what this is. I was meant to have a look online to find out, because I'm not sure if it's like a cream bronzer because of the colour or an eyeshadow. I think it's probably an eyeshadow, but it just says cream colour on it. DLS Cosmetics Incorporation / Bang Beauty. Okay, so I just had a quick stop and had a look at what this cream colour is from Bang. So it is like a multi-use cream colour. So it says you can use it for your eyes, lips and cheeks. So yeah, you could use it as like a bronzer, a highlighter, contour kind of colour, and eyeshadow as well. So yeah, so I would probably use this to be a really nice colour for all over your lids, or like a spotlight eye or something like that. So yeah, if you were interested, that's what it is. I can't believe I got a duplicate product as soon as I opened it. The next thing I've got is from Lord & Berry. Okay, this is the packaging. It says concealer, stick concealer. Okay, in shade Ivory, which is good for me. Well, it's double-sided, so this side has got a little squishy sponge, and this side is a roll-up stick concealer. I haven't had a stick concealer for a very long time. That'd be interesting to give it a go. It doesn't smell of anything. I'm just gonna, oh, it's very thick. I've just swatched it there. It's very thick. It's quite creamy though. Doesn't feel very drying. I'm excited to give that a go. I'll try it out on a video, show you how I get on with it. The next item I've got, I've had this before. This is from the Beauty Crop. It's the Argan Oil and Jojoba waterproof mascara with the little pink flamingos on it. Next thing got is from Laura Geller, New York. 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Colour. This is the packaging. And the shade is Melon Crush. It says no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny colour that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. Fancy. Wow, that is pink. Laura Geller, New York, a 50 Kisses lip locking liquid colour. Look how pink that is. That's like a really true hot pink. Melon Crush. I don't know why, I've got a feeling this is going to smell nice. Oh my god, look how pink it is. It does smell very sugary sweet, like a cake. Next product, I seem to be collecting. Again, it's another duplicate product. It's the Figs and Rouge Clarity Serum, which I mentioned in my 2021 favourites video because I do actually really like this serum. It's got little kind of beads in there that exfoliate as well. Hydrate, smooths, revitalise and glow. Yeah, it is really nice, and this retails for about £40 as well. I seem to be collecting them at the moment. I've got a few bottles and I'm using one at the moment, and now I have another one. I am going to be doing another giveaway in a couple of months. I think I'll save this for that and definitely give that away in the giveaway. Next thing I've got is from Laritzi Cosmetics. I did get something from them last time. I have a feeling it might be the same again. So it's a lip pencil in shade Retro Red. Yeah, I did. I got this last time because I was really excited that it's a very me red. So yeah, it's just a lip liner. I have already tried it. It is a lot lighter than the tip of that. When I was thinking that it's quite a dark red, it's not. It's probably medium. I think I'll save that for a giveaway as well. I feel like this is just going to be a full box of... Does anybody want it? Okay, next product I already have. It is the Doctor's Cosmeceutical Skincare Formula Beauty Blur. This is a primer. Feel skin confident with a photo finish effect in a flash. Minimise the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture. Helps lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. So I already have this. I've not tried it yet though, so I don't know if it's any good or not. I know this will be sealed, so I'll leave it as it is. Potentially that's another giveaway product. Okay, the next thing I've got is from Lord and Berry again. I'd not heard of them before this either, to be honest. Line slash shade in Glam. It's an eye pencil. Nice. Oh, it says Argento next to it as well. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so it's a silver eye pencil. Let's just swatch it. Oh, there we go. So you can see it's just there. It's very silver. I actually really like that. I don't have anything else like that, so you know, be quite nice for a funky makeup look. The next product I have got is from Posh Brats Limited, Marshmallow Magic Foaming Sugar Scrub Bar. This sounds nice. This is the packaging. So I'm assuming that it will be like an exfoliating kind of foaming soapy sugar scrub kind of situation. I hope that makes sense. Oh my god. That smells so good, like I could eat it. Whenever they have any like bubble bars or anything like that, they smell so strong and so nice. The last thing I have got in here is probably the most exciting for me because it's not a duplicate product, and I could do with some of these as well. I have the Complete Complexion and Contouring Kit beauty blenders, and I feel like you can never have too many beauty blenders, and I actually don't have a mini one, so there we go. Life made with the mini. Overall, it's a really nice box. Obviously, I have got a few products in there which are duplicates. I mean, the Figs and Rouge, I can't complain about, but I definitely don't need another bottle of that. It is well worth the money. Just the Figs and Rouge serum itself, you know, more than pays for the box. But there's some other really nice products in here that I will try. The funky eyeliner especially, the beauty blenders, and the crazy liquid lipstick, which I'm looking forward to trying because that is majorly pink. It is definitely worth the money. I've probably hit my limit now on a Pretty Obsessed box because chances are if I get another mystery box, I'm just going to get duplicate products for now. And it is only because I think I've had like 4 or 5 boxes over the last 4 months, so you know, it's highly likely you're going to get duplicate products. Yeah, so I'll probably give it a miss for a few months and then try it out again. I definitely recommend them, and I'll link the website down below if you are interested in trying it out. I have also got a few other Pretty Obsessed box unboxing videos on my channel if you want to have a look at the other products I have got. I have to say, the 20 product mystery box that I got was mega. Thumbs up from me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.